Welcome to the world of CAD Center training, AutoCAD Electrical. We offer training in AutoCAD Electrical in certificate, diploma, professional, and master diploma courses. Our programs help you master AutoCAD Electrical for electrical controls design, electrical schematic design, and electrical documentation. Our courses cover all the core functionalities of AutoCAD Electrical, including comprehensive schematic symbol library, automatic wire numbering and component tagging, circuit libraries and reuse existing drawing, real-time error checking, coil and contact cross-referencing, intelligent panel layouts, circuit builder for simple electrical design, PLC I/O drawings for spreadsheets, automatic project reports. Enroll in the AutoCAD Electrical course of your choice. When you learn AutoCAD Electrical from CAD Center, you learn its complete set of electrical design CAD features. To know more, visit www.cadcenter.com today. Welcome to the world of CAD Center training, Revit MEP. We offer Revit MEP training in certificate, diploma, professional, and master diploma courses. Our Revit MEP courses equip mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineers to design the most complex building systems. If you are an engineer, designer, or contractor, our training in Revit MEP will help you take your model to a higher level of detail. We teach you the Revit MEP tools for planning and tracking various stages in the building's life cycle, from concept to construction, creating geometry that's equipped with real-life information, providing an integrated design, analysis, and documentation of building systems, developing policies, standards, inspection procedures, and evaluation. Enroll in the Revit MEP course of your choice. Learn all the design and construction documentation solutions for mechanical, electrical, firefighting, and plumbing engineering. To know more, visit www.cadcenter.com today.